Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another unboxing video. Today we have the Yamato VF-1A Angel Birds 1/48 scale Valkyrie. This came out a while back and I finally got my hands on it. It's somewhat of a rare variant of the VF-1 Valkyrie. So, I mean, there's a bunch of these that Yamato put out. As you can see, here's the jet itself, the toy. We're gonna unbox it, and this is this is a performing Valkyrie. It wasn't one of the one that went into battle, but they it's kind of, I think when they designed this, they designed it to be similar to the American performing group that's called the Blue Angels. So yeah, that's the name, Angel Birds. Here we go, let's unbox this. Yeah, this box is pretty big, somewhat big. I think all the 1/48 scale Valkyries are substantial size. Check this out. Here we are. There it is. It's out of the box. Alright, let's look at the inside of the box first. Very nice gloss print. And here's the actual toy. Pretty well secured. As you can see, the model Arcadia, they really do a good job in securing these guys. Finally got it out. Alright, and the toy box contains gun pod, and it comes with a gun strap. It's very nicely secured with a piece of plastic. I'll probably thread it in later. The strap. And you got a fighter pilot, which is in green. And you can tell this is a TV version, obviously. You can watch a TV version of Macross, and other Valkyrie pilots have this hand on one of their, it's on a, so I don't know what it's called. I guess their flight stick. And that's on the do you remember love versions, they don't. The pilots, the mold of the pilots have both hands on their, I guess, fighting with the fighter sticks. I guess I don't know what you would call them. The control panel. They have two levers that they pull. This is only one. Alright, and then nicely secured with two anchor anchor plastics. Now, so, make sure during transport that this doesn't crush the wings. Nice. And got box missiles, 4 of them. See, it's really tough to take out. I'll try to take one out. And you can open up and put, I don't know what else you can put here. I don't know what the purpose of this. I guess maybe you can probably store some of these missiles if you didn't want to use it. Start some of the missile trees here. That's my guess. So if you want to go full box missile, you can do that. And let's check out the missile trees. and I believe these pop off. Yep, they're pretty tight. I'm sure, you know, with handling, these will come loose over time. So you get 4 of these, and then 4 of those box missiles. Then the actual jet itself. So there's two tabs here in plastic that make sure you push aside before this comes out. Here it is, and then there's a piece of plastic protecting the nose cone. This thing pops off, so quite easily. On the newer versions, the re-release ones, they actually have redid the cone. So, oh, this is actually they did redo this one. So here's the satellite piece here with these 2 tabs. You can tell from the top. The older versions don't have these tabs. The newer ones do, and they fit into these grooves right here very snugly. Alright, well, I'm glad to see that this is the version that does have those grooves, so it won't pop out that easily. Air brakes, pretty loose. No, well, fairly loose. Compared a little looser than the Arcadia VF-0 lines, and this is actually not that bad. So, the common complaint is when you're doing this during battery mode, it falls off or flaps down. And we've got wing flaps here. These are cool. That's what I enjoy about the 148s. They have all these details that the 160s have abandoned. You can see there's a little bit of separation here, and that's actually not a total bad thing, so you can actually use your finger to pry that open. And cockpit, let's try to put this out. Oh, this is tight. Okay, there we go. Tight off the box. There's no pull up hinge, so it just opens up like that, and then you just pop in the pilot. Fits snugly, and cockpit detail is I guess it's mediocre. Let's see, seat details are okay. Yep. So yeah, pop this guy in there, pop it back into place. Okay, let's check the tail flaps. Very nice. The thing that I enjoy about the Yamato plastics is it's a nice matte feeling versus the Bandai ones. Bandai's glossy, and I mean glossy has its aesthetics, but I really like the more matte finish stuff. As you can see, one of the panels are from the gears are loose. See this one? That is not a good sign, but we'll get to that later. We'll get to the review of this plane later. I haven't had time to really play around with it yet. So, the landing gears have 3 flaps. Just pull this open, and then you just need to fish this thing out. It's quite hard on new toys. If I can get this out. Don't want to break that flap. Okay. There you go. It has a little locking mechanism. The wheels are really tight, actually. Let's try and get this out too. Okay, let's continue fishing this out. As I struggle to do this. Okay. yeah, I recommend some sort of non-abrasive tool, like, you know, toothpick or something, to really get this stuff out. I don't know why this landing gear is not cooperating. Oh, there you go. Comes out. Once it comes out, it stays pretty flush. This is the VF-1 head, 1A head, where is the Max version and Kakizaki version, or as you more Robotech fans would know him as, Ben Dixon. I like that head, the Valkyrie head. Very it's a quintessential head. Oh, look at this. This came right off. Just have to pop this out, but no worries. You just need to pop that tow bar back on. Yeah, so some of this stuff it just comes off. Not that you have to worry. You just need to take some time to put it back on. Yeah, minor complaint about that. So let's pop that off and pull this back in. And pull the wings out. So there you have it. This is the Yamato 1/48 scale Angel Birds VF-1A Valkyrie. Very nice. The color scheme, not too keen on this red and blue design, but you know, it is what it is. It's one of those planes that if you own 1/48 scale, you might as well own this one too, because to complete a collection, I guess. Handle's really nice. I feel like most of the 1/48s handle's nice. I like the 1/60 scale ones, the version 2s, but you know, personally I prefer the size and the heft of these guys. Alright, well, this has been an unboxing of the VF-1A Angel Birds Valkyrie. Yeah, I'll come back and we can go over a more in-depth review of all three modes and transformation. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you guys soon. Thanks.